Good morning, students. I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 12 in SST, which has been taken from class 4. So now, come to the chapter. In this chapter, we have to study about requirements of industries, types of industries, major industrial centers of India, role of industries in development. And the topic is Indian industries. So let us know about our industries, which type of industries in our country. As we know, our country, India, is an agricultural country. Why? Because most of the people are farmers in our country and they do cultivational work. And when we study, we find about 68% population of our country lives in rural areas. In which areas? Rural areas. So how many percentage of population of India lives in rural areas? About 68%. And they produce large amounts of raw materials. Which type of raw materials? Like sugar cane, cotton, tea, food grains, etc. Villages where these people live also provide a huge market of finished goods. Now we come to the next point. Our country, India, is endowed with plenty of natural resources to fulfill most of our needs. Many of these resources, however, cannot be used directly. For example, we cannot use cotton, wood, or iron ore directly, so we need to convert them into usable resources. It means usable resources are those resources that can be used direct way, indirect way. The process of transformation of natural resources into more useful products with the help of manual labor and machines is called industry. So what is industry? Industry is a process of transformation of natural resources into more useful products with the help of natural labor and machines. It is called industry. Industry is also called manufacturing. Okay, so now we come to know about requirement of industries. What are the requirements of industries? Now you can follow these requirements on the basis of these following factors. What are these following factors? Yes, the following factors are required to set up and run an industry. Main materials, money, place, and machines. This is shown below in the form of a flowchart. Industry can be studied like industry depends on 9 elements, and these 9 elements are first of all raw materials, second machines, third place, fourth power, fifth water, sixth manpower, seventh finance, and eighth transport, and ninth market. So these are the important element of industry. Now we come to know about raw materials. Yes, raw materials are those basic commodities which are required in the process of manufacturing products. What are raw materials? Raw materials are commodities that are required in the process of manufacturing products. For example, crude oil. Crude oil is the raw material for petroleum industry, and cotton balls are the raw material for cotton industry. Like this, we require machines to run. It means to turn raw materials into finished or final products. For example, Tea leaves are processed into fine tea. How? So with the help of machines. Selection of the place. Now we come to know about the place. Yes. So selection of the place is also important to set up an industry because the right place is needed to acquire raw materials from their source and distribute the finished products to their destination. So like this I have explained you about raw materials and about place. Now we come to know about water, power. So we need power. Power here means electricity. Yes. So we need power. It means electricity for running machines. Because without electricity, machines cannot be run. So electricity is very necessary for running machines and for lighting factories. Thermal, nuclear and hydroelectric power is used to run machinery. So like this, we have studied about power, place and raw materials. Now in next video, I will discuss you about other things. It means other elements like as water, manpower, finance, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.